Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error which is your Alt key or the moment you press Shift key and number 2 key in the keyboard, the Alt key is not working or responding in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and here please type for settings. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match should appear and once it's here, please click on open to continue. Once you have bring up the settings window, please navigate at the left side of that and look for an option called time and language. So select on it and here in the time and language, please proceed with the second option which is language and region and look for an option where you can add a language. So aligning this preferred languages, you can see there an option called add a language. Please click on it and here please type for English US. In my case, it's not showing here since I have already installed it in my case. But in your case, the reason why you face an error is that you haven't installed it and used it in your keyboard. So it is very important to use it. Okay, so select on it, go with next. Okay, to install it, and it will eventually install here. And it will eventually start on installing rather here in this window. So in my case, I have already downloaded my English US and it is being used for my language pack, text to speech, speech recognition, handwriting, and basic typing. So it's very important. Once you're good, check if your add key is now working. Okay, the next method that you can do is you need to navigate with the time and language again. And from here, please select on typing. And under the typing, you need to proceed with this option called Advanced Keyboard Settings. In that way, you'll be able to see a window like this, where here you need to proceed with this language bar options and wait until this window would show here. So here you need to ensure that this one show text labels and the language bar is being checked. Okay, click on apply and then okay. Once you're good, check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate at the bottom search bar, type for notepad, click on the open option to continue. And once this window would appear, try to press Shift key and number 2 key. And now this add key is now working here in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so press again Shift key and number 2 key, and it's now working. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.